One quick thing I want to clear up about the sleep cycle while we're talking about it is what I call the 90-minute misnomer. There's a lot of people out there, and you may have read this, that say your sleep cycle occurs in 90-minute intervals. And one of the things that we're going to talk about later is that waking up in the wrong part of a cycle can really affect your ability to feel energized, especially in the first couple hours after waking up. So these people will say that sleep cycles occur in 90-minute intervals, and if you just wake up at 4.5, 6, or 7.5 hours, you'll feel great. And I just want to go ahead and just nip this in the bud early and say that this is just wrong. Sleep cycles can take anywhere from 60 to 120 minutes. They vary person to person and often day to day, and they just aren't predictable enough to precisely determine how long they're going to take, thus when you should wake up. So we'll talk more about this later, but while I was on the subject of the sleep cycle, I just wanted to make sure I made this clear. So the good news about all these things and why this course can even exist is that we're able to control many of the variables in our lives that affect the quality and quantity of deep sleep, which ultimately means that we can make changes to be more rested, have more energy, and spend less time in bed. And that's what we're going to talk about in the subsequent modules with specific tactics and strategies. So this concludes Module 1. In the next module, we're going to discuss the largest variables that really account for the foundation of a lot of the concepts that I'm going to talk about.